Welcome to the Remedyforce Winter 18 Early Access Program. My name is Virginia Leandro, and I'm one of the product managers for Remedyforce. If you're planning to move to Salesforce Lightning Interface, there are some things you need to know and configure specifically for knowledge articles. In this video, we'll walk through those configuration steps if you opt to use Salesforce Lightning. This is our legal notice letting you know that what we are demoing today is regarding a future product. This information is provided under NDA, and any purchasing decisions should be based on what is generally available today. Knowledge articles are built using the Salesforce standard page layouts. These layouts contain a Visualforce page component that doesn't work in Lightning. In Winter 18, we're introducing new knowledge article standard page layouts specifically for Lightning that have a number of changes. We've made a number of changes and have now introduced new page layouts specifically for Lightning. Changes include removing the inline Visualforce component that was used to manage accounts and replace that with a Lightning component. We've added a new quick action to manage that account access as well as self-service access. We've removed the display and self-service field as it is now part of the quick action to manage accounts. And finally, we've added two new buttons, one to support link services and CIs in the related list, and the other to access knowledge management process. In this demo, we assume you have already enabled Lightning for your organization. Additionally, if you plan on using Lightning, you must enable the Salesforce feature called My Domain. Enabling My Domain is beyond the scope of this demo, but there are several resources through Salesforce to walk you through enabling My Domain in your organization. Today, knowledge articles under Salesforce Classic are managed via Salesforce standard page layouts. However, we discovered one certain feature of the page will not work in Lightning, and that is the account details. As part of Winter 18, we have now created new page layouts specifically for Lightning. There are a couple of things to keep in mind if you decide to move to Lightning. There are also different options on how to get there, and we'll cover a couple of those here. If you are using our out-of-the-box forms with no field additions or customizations, then simply go to Page Layout Assignment, and you can simply go through and assign the new layouts as we're doing here. However, if you have added fields or customized your forms, you'll need to either apply those changes to the new Lightning pages or modify your existing pages and backport the changes to your forms. In this example, we've created a new page layout called Policies that is tied to the policy's record type. We'll demo the changes you'll need to backport to have the page working in Lightning. The first thing we need to do is go down to Account Details and remove both the page component as well as the section. Next, we're going to remove the display and self-service. This will become apparent a little later because we have now combined that with the new Lightning component. Next, we'll go down to Linked Services and CIs, and we'll click on Properties. Next, we'll click on the plus button there. You'll notice that we have a new button that is named Link CI to Knowledge Articles. I'll select that under Available Buttons and move it to Selected. I'll select this first button and go ahead and remove that and click OK. One of the reasons we had to introduce the new button is because in Lightning, Salesforce does not support JavaScript for custom buttons, so we needed to create a new button, but we want to avoid naming everything with Lightning, so we chose to keep the names the same. Finally, we need to build out the Salesforce mobile and Lightning experience actions. You'll click Override the predefined actions, and effectively you're going to remove those buttons that you don't need and add some new buttons that you will need. We've jumped ahead here, and you'll notice that the buttons that we have for Lightning Experience now show Edit, Clone, Delete, Preview, Publish, and Retire. We'll click on Mobile and Lightning Actions, and we'll go ahead and add this new button for Lightning called Knowledge Management Process, as well as adding this new component called Manage Self-Service Access. We'll go ahead and save our page. We're now in Lightning, and we'll go ahead and open up a knowledge article. So now you'll see our new page. The difference here is the actions up here in the upper right-hand corner. When we click the down arrow, you'll now see where we've added the new knowledge management process, as well as the managed self-service access. Since the accounts capability and being able to assign a knowledge article to an account impacts self-service, we wanted to have this self-contained. So now the display and self-service checkbox is located in this managed self-service access component. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to your feedback on the Remedyforce Winter 18 release.